Hello friends, welcome you on Research Needs. In this video we will see acute eye irritation test, Draize test. So we will go on that. We will going to see using Expharm software. So now we will, here you can see the interface acute eye irritation test, Draize test. So we will start the visual practice and click here, and next we will start the experiment. So we will see first the objective for acute eye irritation test. Here, determination of acute irritation of test substance by eye irritation test. Here next other tabs are instructions, experiment, result table and observation table. So we will go through the instructions first. Here you can see the instructions. 6 rabbit we are going to take. A known amount of test substance is introduced in one eye of all 6 animals, whereas second eye is considered as a control. So we are going to use only one group of animals, means we are going to use 6 animals. One eye of each rat will be act as a control. Generally here we are going to take right eye, and the left one will be act as a treatment part where we are going to give the drug. So next point is following response is evaluated after 24, 48 and 72 hours. So as per the test guidelines 405, they are seeing response after 1 hour, then 24, 48 and 72 in contract research organization. So here we are going to see that after 24 hour, 48 hour and 72 hours. So next we have to check in that period ulceration, opacity of cornea, inflammation of iris and inflammation of conjunctiva. Next we will go ahead, we will click the experiment tab. Here you will find the rabbit and we will now start the experiment. Here you will find 6 rabbits they have given, and on that we are going to apply the drug. So one eye, right eye will be act as a control. There we are not going to do anything, and in left eye we are going to treat by using sample, whatever sample we have given, means test drug. So we will apply that now. So we have applied the drug in the rabbit eye. Now we will inspect the both groups, means both eye after 24 hour, 48 hour and 72 hours. So we will click that observation. Here you will see the control eye, right eye, where we have not given anything, so it's look normal. Now we will check the tested, means in which eye, left eye, there we have given the drug. In that it's showing inflammation of iris, next conjunctiva, opacity of the cornea and ulceration. So here you can see it's a ulceration. Here you can see opacity of the cornea. So here it means our test drug is toxic for eye. So we will go and see the result table. So on control eye, everyday was normal reactions, non-toxic. In left eye, drug was tested. In day 1, it's showing ulceration. When practically you are doing the experiment, it may not show first day reaction, or sometimes it giving reaction after 1 hour only. So in that condition we are checking these all: ulceration, opacity of cornea, inflammation of iris, inflammation of conjunctiva. So all these things you have to check every day, day 1, day 2 and day 3. So here in test drug, if you are finding this type of mild severe reactions, your test sample eyes, means in rabbit eyes, so the drug is toxic, means it is irritant for eyes. So this type of experiment generally we have to do in contract research organization, and there we have to check these type of reactions by chart. In that chart we are checking the severity level. it is mildly irritative, or it producing edema only, or sometimes it producing severe irritation. Those part we have to check. Lastly, we will see the conclusion. In conclusion, the sample shown reaction on 24, 48 and 72 hours in 4 out of 5 rabbits, so sample is toxic. It means out of 6, if 4 animals showing toxic result, it means sample is toxic. So this was the conclusion. How was the video? Please do comment. Thank you for watching Research Need. Thank you very much.